All right, guys, I got this headlight restoration kit to see if I could do something about these terrible looking headlights. So this thing does some great claims and we are gonna test it out and see what happens. So the first thing it wants me to do is clean this with soap and water. All right, so this is what they look like after being washed with soap and water. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, they give you gloves, and these are, it says step 1, and this is to get all the oxidation off of here, and we're just gonna rub it down with these. Okay, so right here, we're going to just rub in a circular motion. You can see how it's already starting to take this off, and we're gonna basically do this for all 4 of these sheets that they give. As you can see, it's getting yellow, and that's getting all this stuff off. So we're just going to keep doing this. As you can see, it's getting lots of this stuff off, and we're just going to keep on using until all 4 of them are done. Make sure you use all 4 of the wipes, and don't worry if it still looks like this. It's perfectly fine. It's how it's supposed to do. So the next step is, after you wash it with water, you're going to attach the red disc, and you're going to wet it just a little bit. Make sure that this is a little bit wet, and then you're just going to go back and forth and just sand this down. And you're going to do this for about 2 minutes, and keep this wet. So you're going to wet it periodically. All right, so after you've done the red one, you're gonna pop this one off, and you're going to put the gray one on, and you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure it's a little bit wet and that this stays wet, and you're just gonna do in a nice fluid motion, non-circular, and you're just gonna go back and forth for about 2 minutes. All right, so for the last step, you're gonna put on a new pair of gloves. Make sure that this is absolutely bone dry, because this will not work correctly. And then you're gonna take the pad, and you're basically going to wipe in a one fluid motion one way, and when you get to the end, didn't get it quite, you're going to start back again right here, 50% up, and you're just going to kind of work your way all the way down. You're just going to keep on going, and don't worry if you get any of this on your car. You can just use a nice cloth and wipe it right up. And then you're going to go to the other side, and you got to wait and let this dry for at least 60 minutes before you drive or you get moisture on it. As you can see, look at that. That's the finished one, and this is the one with only 2 steps. That's a huge difference. All right, so as you can see, these look like completely different headlights, and I will actually be able to see in the dark. This thing is a pretty incredible product. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope this review helped.